So I lost my phone. I was just sitting here waiting for him. No phone. Didn't know where it was.
Dinner is 80 bucks.
I want to see
Oh, shit. I would say
the man, the myth, the legend. What's up, guys? We have made it to Savannah, Georgia. We are sitting in our hotel lobby right now, and it's 9 a.m. We just ate breakfast. What do we got today?
I got a bagel.
Bagel.
I got a waffle with chocolate syrup and chocolate chips on it.
What are you eating?
Waffles with chocolate and
Strawberry sauce.
this.
Ooh.
Apple mac.
Every single hotel we go to, the kids say this is the best hotel we've ever been at. So this one is pretty cool. I've never been to Savannah, Georgia. You've never been to Georgia either?
I haven't, no.
No, so this is our first time ever. Oh, really?
Yeah, that's it.
Well, we're here and we're very excited. Derek is going to be working throughout the trip, so he's got his computer here. They have an office actually here at the hotel. And then this morning the kids and I are going to go exploring. We're going to be going to Tybee Island. We asked you guys on Instagram where you recommended going, and that was like #1 place we have to go, so we're going there later today. So let's check out Savannah, Georgia. So this is the original roads that were here. That is really cool. We're on the river walk. You guys need more energy, right?
Yes.
You need sugar? Be careful. Ready? I'm going to stop. So it is Easter weekend, by the way. We just got to Tybee Island and we're walking around, and Riker found an Easter egg.
And look what's inside of it.
So I'm assuming somebody came and hid Easter eggs around Tybee Island here in Georgia. So I think that's pretty cool. What's inside of it? What'd you
I
get?
have a pearl.
Dogs and a bracelet. So we're gonna get lunch now with my little brother and his girlfriend because they're the ones moving here. That's why we're here. And then, yeah, check out the island. You see the mermaids? Look at that. All right, we just finished lunch. Now we're walking on the Tybee Pier. And it's really nice. It's really beautiful. It's so weird to be on the Atlantic side of the ocean. Oh my God, look.
Whoa.
Pretty cool.
I just saw a whale. I think.
A whale?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, pop up.
Maybe. Look who it is, ladies and gents. The man, the myth, the legend, Derek Harden.
Come on, I can't hear you.
Bring him out, bring him out.
I can't hear you.
Bring him out, bring him out. Now. Bring him out, bring him out. Okay. Anyways, y'all, Derek's done with work for the
Thanks
day.
for my entrance.
You're welcome.
That was awesome.
I've been vlogging all day. Day 1 in
I think you need an entrance
Savannah.
song.
I do.
Yeah.
Boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom. My milkshake brings all the girls to the yard.
Hey, what?
It's better than yours.
Oh, shit.
It's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to teach you.
This is your walkout song?
Huh?
That's your walkout song? Okay. How about that milkshake?
I didn't have
I didn't
this
look at your butt, I
milkshake.
swear.
I only have this milkshake.
Yeah, we already
so-
showed them.
Oh.
I already showed them for the 3rd time. And it's all messed up. Going down, guys? Yes.
Oh, these are people who served and. Oh, cool. You want my blueberries? Okay. Or a tequila. And
Trying to pick what I'm gonna eat because I don't know what's good.
nothing. They have a lot of good stuff here. I've never been to Savannah before, so
What do you guys think of this burrito?
I got some watermelon drink and it's really cute. Cheers. We just got our food and Riker's burrito is huge. I want to see you take a bite though too. Yours looks very fancy. Fancy burrito. This is not like our plaza. Sprouts and guac and shredded. What is the purple stuff?
Salada.
Ensalada? No, that's
I said salada, like salad.
Oh, salad. Okay. I don't like that one. This one? Yeah. Really?
Those Mickey Mouse ones.
No Mickey Mouse ones.
No.
You got it, Sissy. Are you recording?
I can hold them.
Are you recording?
Hold them.
What do you got? Bubbles! Getting those for Bubbles. Aww. Look at all the cupcakes. Did you think that these were for us, or you know they're for dogs? They're for dogs. Do you think the doggies will like them?
Wait, I think I know which one.
A kitty one? We went shopping at Gap, and Presley refuses to put her clothes away. She just wants to carry them everywhere. It's day 2, baby. We've done a lot today. Not Derek, because, you know, Derek's working. But we did go to, gosh, I forgot the name of it. That's so bad. I'll put on the screen, though. And I don't know how to say it. Boynton Street? Basically, Tyler gave us a whole tour showing us his school, the theater he's going to be performing in. I need to give you the tour.
I know, I'd like to go.
We went shopping for the kids a little bit. We got lunch at City Market, Savannah City Market. It was really good. Actually, it was okay. It wasn't the best. But since Derek didn't get to join us for lunch, we're trying to find him a snack, even though it's 4 p.m. and we're eating at 6. But yeah, you should try Lizzie's Burger Bar. I've seen pictures of it and it looks really good.
Beef jerky shop?
Beef jerky shop. Yeah, this is the, I think this is the downtown area. Riverwalk, yeah. Sissy insisted on coming with us, even though it's kind of supposed to be her nap time. And Bella came too. You don't look like you're doing very hot though, baby.
Mommy and Daddy are going out tonight.
We are?
Why not?
I don't know.
We got babysitters. We should
Yeah, we should really.
check out the town, Savannah, Georgia.
Yeah. What took so long? I thought that somebody was fighting you for it or something.
I did. I had to chase them down.
You're
Tackled
lying.
them. There you go.
What happened?
You left it in the grass. It was
Grass?
in the grass where we took Bella potty.
That was easy as that? Why did it take so
No,
long
it
for
wasn't in
real?
the grass. It was in the hotel.
Somebody found it?
Yeah.
Oh, they turned it in?
Yeah. I thought you left it in the
Look at
room,
this
so I
side,
called
baby.
your mom. She's like, I can't find it. I said, well, I guess I'll at least.
I should have told you I 100% didn't leave it in the room.
Well, I knew you didn't because you called me when you said you get on the elevator.
Yeah.
No, leave it.
Ew, yuck, that's yucky.
So anyways, yeah, the front ladies had it. And then, oh, she looked at your phone. She's like, so I guess this is you on the front? And she looked at it, she looked at me, and she said, oh, like,
That's definitely you. Ooh, that was a close one.
at least I have another phone.
So I lost my phone. All of a sudden I just remembered I didn't have it, and then Derek checked my location, and it was showing back to where we had walked through. So I was just sitting here waiting for him, no phone, didn't know where it was. I thought you took so long. I thought track the person down. They took it from me, and you were getting in a fist fight or some crazy thing about.
I did. I got in
You
a big
can't
fist
steal
fight.
phones
Fist fight.
nowadays because we got locations on them.
That's right.
Ooh, that was a close one. We just got that. It's an iPhone 14, so we're good. All we're trying to do is get Derek a snack. We can't even do that.
Jesus.
Okay, we're good. It's in my purse now. I won't lose it again.
Well, apparently
The work week is finished. We're all here as a family enjoying a nice dinner.
because like there's tours. and
I
stuff,
ordered the
like,
flounder
historically-
for the family.
Yeah, flounder and a Caesar salad. I'm
We're
excited.
trying new things here in Savannah, Georgia.
We are.
The place is beautiful. We have the vacation
I'm
boat
going to
Georgia
play
Queen
golf.
about to take off with all of their
Still on the
guests.
table at all?
So we're gonna watch them take off.
We're at Oak and Moss at the Hilton Hotel, and it's gorgeous.
It is gorgeous.
We'll
I
see
would
about
like
the
to
food.
say I got my exercise in today for chasing down that man that stole Ashley's phone.
Yeah, whatever. I totally thought that happened, but
I know.
that was
At least we got
crazy,
your phone
man.
back.
Yeah, yes. What'd you tell her, Breaker?
I told her it's fish. It's chicken fish.
I guess you would go in the port.
They have generators
Oh yeah, it's chicken.
They are just very
You
simple.
ate fish. It was big.
I like this.
I would say
We want to get one.
Where do they get these? They're like specialized locks. Oh. Cute. So cool. Trying to look for a toy for the kiddos.
I don't know why they haven't picked something.
Sissy, what are you thinking, baby? Is that what you want? Oh, well, pick what you want. Why don't you get in the hat? That's 3 things. You can't get 3.
Please.
Come on then. Let's go. Mom. Let's go. All right. We got a princess thing. Riker, Riker, that looks like 3 toys, not 1. So we're done with dinner. We're shopping now. And my parents said the kids could each get 1 toy. They're going to buy it for him. But it's a little crazy in here. They both have more than 1 toy. Riker, what'd you get? Pirate hat,
A pirate hat, a pirate
sword, and the turtle. What do you have, Miss Ma'am?
a moon and this.
Beautiful. It's officially his. Yeah. Alright guys, we are actually back in Florida now. We had a really amazing time in Georgia. I think it was really cool to check out somewhere that we'd never been before and somewhere that my younger brother and his girlfriend are possibly gonna move. So we might be spending a lot more time in Georgia because it's such a short hour drive from where we live in Florida. But we're already on to our next adventure. Tomorrow is Easter, so we have a little surprise for the kiddos today. And I'm actually gonna put this in another YouTube video. If you guys wanna know where we're at right now, sneak peek, you'll have to go watch our other YouTube video. We'll go up 2 weeks after this video that you're watching right now. So if it's been longer than 2 weeks, the video is up and you can go watch it and see where we're at for Easter weekend. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video.